Test drive the 2018 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.